Before the invention of the modern hairdryer, managing one's hair was a much longer and tedious affair. People primarily relied on the sun and natural air to dry their hair, which was particularly challenging in colder climates or during winter months. Additionally, traditional methods like using towels or standing in front of a fire to facilitate faster drying were not only inefficient, but could also result in damaged hair. Without hair dryers, styling options were limited, and achieving specific hairstyles required more effort and creativity. Furthermore, hair salons faced constraints as they couldn't offer fast and diverse services, influencing beauty standards of the era.